Today I'm going to talk about relationships and communication online. It is important to know that everything you post on the internet is part of your digital footprint. Therefore, if you get in a fight with someone you are in a relationship with and then post it all over social media, it could come back to you and look poorly on your digital footprint. It is also important to remember that what you tell someone online is not private and can be used against you later. One main way that students maintain relationships online is through texting. Students are constantly communicating, and although it may not be face-to-face, they're still growing their relationships with others. Communication online can even help you meet more in-person people because you can set up times to get together. Having the ability to communicate online can also help maintain relationships with family members or friends that live far away through calling, texting, or even just posting live updates on social media. Relationships online can also be created for students that may feel isolated in their offline lives, therefore giving them a place to feel supported and loved by people that are similar to them. Being able to show that you can build safe relationships online show that you are becoming a responsible digital citizen. The internet can also help spread positive thoughts in tough times for a country or even the world. Technology can also help people that are more introverted become more comfortable with people online, which can then transfer to their relationships offline. Clearly, relationships online can be extremely helpful if used in a healthy way.